In this video, I want to show you how to install Pi Network Desktop app on your PC. The Pi Network Desktop app is an app you can install on your PC and access Pi Network features. So to do that, open your browser and open a new tab. Enter this address, which is minepie.com/pi-blockchain/pi-node and press enter. So it will open the page where you can download it. The Pi node is a one step closer user-centric decentralization. So, and here is the latest version, and it's available for Mac and Windows. In this video, I want to download for Windows, so I will click on Windows. So it has started downloading. Let me bring it up here. Yes, here is the download progress, and it is about 162 MB. So after downloading, click on open folder. Let me maximize it. To install it, just double click the installation file. So in few seconds, it will be installed. When it installs, it automatically launches itself just like this, and it will bring you to the welcome page. However, if it doesn't show up, come to your desktop, you will see the shortcut. Double click to launch it. It will open the welcome page. So you will need to log in with your account details. So to log in, just click on login. It will show you the code to sign in to your account. So enter the sign in code below in mobile app node screen to sign in with your Pi account on this computer. The node screen is accessible through the side menu of the mobile app. So this is how to install Pi Network Desktop on your PC. Thank you for watching.